All right, today's project, fixing this cross member here on this sander. It's supposed to be attached like that, but as you can see, it's hanging down, so this rack has no support down on this end. That needs to be fixed. I would like to get it done this afternoon because we're supposed to get a snowstorm tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna let that warm up for a quick minute. Sixteenths. Bingo. I recently picked up one of these Icon ratchets here from Harbor Freight. It's supposed to be really nice, comparable to Snap-ons, so I'm gonna give it a try. This thing is salty. These two are supposed to be together on that weld right there. Oh. All right, there we go. We got it all set up here. We're gonna get some tacks in there, make sure we're good, and then we'll fill it out. No. Sweet. Good. Looking good. Cool. So I just got to pull this side in a little bit in order to get this in. There we go. Everything's back in, nice and solid. I think we're good to go. All right, we're all finished up. Overall, really happy with how that came out. Ready to go for the next storm. Let's go work on something else.